How's everybody doing? This is Gavin here. I was very excited about this pickup that I bought for my OM by Eastman MDO305, and I bought a piezo pickup from a company that I heard about on a like a bulletin board called JJB, American company, and they make piezo pickups for a lot of instruments you might think of. Anyways, what I have here that I installed into my octave mandolin is their Prestige 220. There is a piezo transducer here and a piezo transducer here. So I was so stoked about the clarity. I was never one for piezo pickups, by the way, but they make super amazing quality. I just want to show you with the sound of it. That is a I did that with a thin string joy pick. So let me try it with a thicker pick. This one's a Dunlop. So, yeah, the JJB Prestige 220, by the way, never met them. They're not paying me to post this. I was just really excited about the quality of their pickup. And I'll just do a little bit something real one more time just so everyone can kind of digest the sound of the pickup. So. Cool. I will test one on my banjo, my tenor banjo, pretty soon, but there's that. And see ya. Thanks for listening.